Titanic movie. Conjunctions or connectors. Part 6 of 10. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, part 6 of 10. Rose helped Jack blank he could escape. So that, both, and, either, or. The Titanic carried blank passengers blank cargo. Both, and, neither, nor, not only, but also. You can blank take a lifeboat blank wait for help. Either, or, both, and, so that. Jack had blank a lot of money blank many fancy clothes. Neither, nor, both, and, not only, but also. The ship was blank only huge blank also very luxurious. Not only, but also, either, or, so that. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie answer key, part 6 of 10. Rose helped Jack so that he could escape. Reason, so that shows the purpose or reason why an action is done. The Titanic carried both passengers and cargo. Reason, both, and join two similar items or ideas together. You can either take a lifeboat or wait for help. Reason, either, or gives a choice between two options. Jack had neither a lot of money nor many fancy clothes. Reason, neither, nor states that two negative things are true. The ship was not only huge but also very luxurious. Reason, not only, but also adds more information. Like, comment and subscribe.